I am Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and we got 80 seconds to add reverb to an audio clip in Audacity, so let's rock and roll. We have Audacity open here with a clip already imported. Now I'm just going to go ahead and select the area that I want to add reverb to, and I'm going to go up to Effect. Now let's scroll on down to Reverb, give that a click, and then you can preset all of these here options. Now let's just give a preview.
Now that's what I call an adjustment.
Turn down that room size a little bit and give you an idea.
Now that's what I call an adjustment.
Stereo width and wet gain, we'll turn that up just a smidge.
Now that's what I call an adjustment.
Now that's what I call an adjustment. I've been Eric Polley, you have been you, I will see you on the next one.